Hey folks, in this project we're making a soundboard with Adafruit's NeoTrellis. This lets you trigger audio files so you can play it like a musical instrument. Each button can have different sounds so you can build your own sample kit. Get the parts to build this project, links are in the description. You can download the kit and 3D print the files. Check out the Learn Guide for documentation. You can follow along step by step to wire the electronics and build the assembly.